Hi, I'm Brittany Lewis, Director of Client Relations, and this is how you join a live. As you come into the Smart Success Healthcare community and you join and you notice that there is a live happening, you will see right here that it says live now. And if you want to join that live, all you have to do is say listen in. At this point, you are now in the live stage and the speaker will be up here. And anytime you want to chat with other participants, you will just go up to the chat bubble here, type in your message, and that's it. And this is how you do it on mobile. Now that you are in the community, you will see right here where it says event, and you just click that. And that is when our future events are happening, and you can click interested and it will let you know that we are going live. Once you are in the community and you will see when things go live, it will say live now. And to join that, all you're going to click is listen in. It will bring you into the live video that is happening. And if you want to chat with people, you will just hit this chat bubble in the middle of the bottom half of your screen. And then this is how you can chat. And then to go back to the video, you will just hit the back arrow at the top left, and then it will take you back to the live.